Need to fix Apple Map direction not working on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and head over to privacy and security. Move into location services. Make sure that the location of maps is toggled on. You can simply set it to while using the app or while using the app or widgets. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure that the Wi-Fi you are connected to is working properly. Once done, now move into the settings once again. Head over to the previous setting page, and then you need to head over to General. Move into Background App Preference. Move into the first option. You have to set the settings to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also make sure that the background app preference of map is toggled on. After that, you should be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.